Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to talk about your Earth.io. This is an open source decentralized metaverse, as you can see here, and it is powered by Accent. So we're going to talk about everything about everything about this project. Okay, we're just doing an honest review, and because of the request of some of our viewers, this is why we're going to do this. So please take your time and check out this video if you want to learn more about your Earth.io. And also, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching here in Crypto Addict, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so here in your Earth.io, you have a chance to monetize your land. So there's a lot of ways for you to be able to make money from your lands. Okay, so if there are some people or there are visitors that are visiting your land, let me zoom this one out so that you'll be able to see it. Okay, the more assets that you will receive as a reward. So the keyword here is traffic. Okay, traffic. You need visitors in your land, more visitors, more ACE tokens, and of course, if you're going to what do you call that? Swap it into USDT, then you have more cash out to you have more money to cash out here. So this is what they're saying: the more ACE token you have, the more passive income you can earn. Now the question probably here is that how much is it? Okay, how much is the price of ACE token, which we're going to learn in the probably next few weeks to come. But later on, we're going to talk about the tokenomics and other stuff. So here also they're creating their metaverse, since like we are in the metaverse hype right now. So you can build your own universe inside your Earth.io. So of course, sky's the limit. If let's say metaverse, you can build a building, you can build whatever the hell you want. Okay, just make sure, okay, that you get traffics, you get visitors in that metaverse, because this is how you will be able to earn from this project as well. So you also gain decentralized ownership, so you own every NFT backup asset in your metaverse land. Your Earth.io has no claim or hold to anything you buy or build on the platform. Okay, so also this is being run on Ascent browser. So it operates on the Ascent blockchain and has an integrated Ascent meta wallet that unifies major blockchains such as Ethereum, Tron, and even Bitcoin. So this is the Osiris browser that they are talking about. So it is what they call that, an application or like a faster version of probably a Google Chrome that has a free from ads and mass surveillance. So you can search it via Google, like it is Osiris browser. So you can also download it already on the Google Play and even on the App Store. Okay, so they're offering everything like this. Like they're also blocking ads and trackers. They also, you can browse faster here because it's faster than the traditional web browsing. And also, of course, you can save money by getting data charges used by intrusive ads. So hopefully in the future we'll be able to tackle about Osiris browser. But for now, let's focus more on the your Earth.io. Okay. So also, of course, you can build and play. You can build whatever the hell you want here. Okay. It's just that when you have the metaverse, all you need to do is just make it hype and make a lot of people visit that metaverse. And in their mechanism, it says that you'll be able to earn ACE tokens on top of it. Okay, so some of the behind the scenes footage about your Earth.io are these one, this one. So this guy's what they call that, dancing Macarena, and this one and other stuff. It looks like a GTA 2, right? Like a 3D one. So I'm really excited about the metaverse. If if we'll be able to reach the position where metaverse are a lot more used, this is exciting because I mean, this is like an interaction to people, as you can see here, and the graphics and everything is good. All right, so let's go into the visual roadmap. So these are the visual roadmap of the project. So at the phase one, okay, they're just starting, or you can buy your land here. Okay, of course, in any project, if you already bought first than anyone else, you're getting a first mover approach or first mover advantage. And also, there's an open world seed stage on quarter 3. Quarter 1 is the meta commerce stage, wherein you can import, produce, or build your digital goods in your land. And of course, you can use it, or you can purchase these materials via ACE tokens. So you can also run an e-commerce business in this land. So I mean, if there's a lot of people that are really going to be using metaverse, I believe e-commerce is really what I could probably say is a thing. E-commerce will be a thing in the metaverse as well, because there probably a shop that will open their metaverse, and also you'll be able to like buy inside this metaverse, and also it will be just be delivered to you. Okay, that's what I probably see. And also on the phase 5, which is on the quarter 4 of 2023, this is the phase wherein you can have an interaction inside the metaverse with other people that are inside that metaverse, and also you can transact for real items, you can have conversations and other stuff. So this is more like a web3 version of I'll probably say Sims, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, metaverse world, play to earn, since you just need to get much more traffic as you can, and also you can build whatever you want. There's also a marketplace, NFT marketplace, wherein you'll be able to sell or buy your NFTs. Since of course, if you are in the Web3, automatically you're using NFT, because this is more like a digital ownership and other stuff. Okay, so some of the partners are DApp Arcade, Wonder Wallet, Osiris Browser, Web 3.0, Ascent Blockchain, DAppX, and many more. So yep, I've scrolled out here. So they also have a white paper. So if you're going to click this Enlighten Me, okay, you can click this white paper, and actually, the first thing that I've checked here is the allocation, or the token allocation of ACE token. So of course, 2 million. There's only a billion rather, 2 billion tokens available, and the incubation fund is 30%. Sales are at 20%, 5% for the marketing, 10% of the team. So also, if you're going to look here, these are the accomplishments of the ACE token. So this has been recurring. Before bear market happened, they've already accomplished this, and still they are in here. So that's something that we should also take note of. Okay, so also this is the roadmap of Accent, and also your Earth DAO. So you'll be able to see here, okay, that this is pretty much the same thing, but this is more of like the extended version, or more of like you will be able to learn more about here. So their long-term goals is to have an AR and XR support by 2024 probably, or when the hardware technology develops, IoT, or which is Internet of Things, and other stuff as well. So you can see here, like in your Earth DAO, you'll be able to earn a certain lot. Okay, there's a coordinates there, and also it is your choice, whatever the hell you want to do it. Maybe you want to build like a shop in here, maybe this, maybe that, I don't know, but definitely this is something that you should also check out. Okay, So this is also created by Unreal Engine 5, which I think is a good thing, because I mean, building a game or building a project in Unreal Engine 5 is, you really need to have a developers or a game developers that are really good, because Unreal Engine 5 is like, it's like the top of the charts in terms of, like, if you're building a visuals, you're building a game. And that's why I would say this kind of like applications being used, I would say that the file are pretty much big, since this is 3D metaverse, there's internet involved. So definitely I think once this has been started, I suggest that you get pretty much a higher GPU, and also upgrade your PC, so that you'll be able to fully enjoy the experience inside your Earth DAO. So yung YED land sale, guys, actually balik tayo sa your Earth DAO, 'di ba? So yung YED, guys, ito yung first of lands na magiging offered dito sa your Earth DAO. So dito, here in this case, it will be available on Osiris website or browser. So it's very easy to download Osiris browser. So you're just going to go into this site. So just type in Osiris browser, and then there is this portion over here, which I'm not sure if I've been shown it. So this is the part of it. So just click that Osiris browser, and let's check if you're able to see it. Okay, so let me just adjust my screen at this moment, guys. Ayan, so this is the Osiris browser, guys. So this is the Osiris browser that I am talking to you. So very easy to download. You do not need to worry about the speed or like the MB, because it's just very small amount of MB. And also you'll be able to buy it here directly. And some of the key things that you need to know about your Earth DAO, about the land sale, is you'll be able to trade this land spot on any NFT marketplace, okay, for a profit. So basically, if you are having, let's say, what do you call that? If you're having an NFT, you can sell it anytime. You can sell it anytime, and you own it. You own everything about that NFT, and that's just yours, okay? And also you'll be able to gain ACE token with an interest as high as 13% a year. Please listen at this part, okay? So other than that, okay, you're also going to get what do you call that, staking, or it is called eDAO. So you'll be getting profit sharing from the UBI pool in 6 years continuously. Okay, so if you have that NFTs, you have that land, these are some of the use cases that you'll be getting. Okay, so I believe if you're getting an NFT, it shouldn't be just like the NFT. You should be getting tons of use case of it, and why you should buy it. This is like how this is what, like, the reason why NFTs are existing. There should be a use case as well. So you're also going to get a governance, means you have a token whatever happens in your Earth DAO. Okay, let's say there is like an update, like people are being asked if they want this path or they want this path. You'll have a chance to actually vote inside that one. Okay, so that's called governance. And most of the metaverse, most of the tokens involved have that kind of system, because it's decentralized. Governance means a lot of people have a right to vote. And of course, majority wins at that portion. And not just majority wins, but also like the more tokens that you have, the more holdings that you have, a much more powerful your vote is. Okay? So you can also build a lot of businesses with unlimited creative potential. You can monetize it through meetings, hangout, traveling, and even interacting with other meta citizens inside your Earth DAO. So that's how beautiful it is. You can also do some real estate in here. I don't know what's your idea, but if you want to deploy it in your Earth, you can definitely do that. Okay. So this is everything that I pretty much know about your Earth DAO, and this is like the first metaverse in the blockchain that is being powered by Unreal Engine. Okay. That's what they are claiming, and also the economics model, which I will be going back at this portion. Okay, the economics model of your Earth DAO is creative freedom. And this is pretty much strategically decided, okay, so that the users will govern it. Okay, so just 10% for the team, okay, 20% is on the general public sales, reserve is 20%, MIF 30% is being aside. So this is what you're going to get if you're going to buy a single land inside this project. Okay, so I hope you learned something about your Earth DAO. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I believe I've tackled everything inside your Earth DAO, and also make sure to create your wallet in here in Osiris. This is the Osiris browser. Make sure to create your wallet in here. And of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, please do subscribe. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents, and see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys.